So I have to start up my display here and enter some values in my display. As you can see, the view shows 0% in the right bottom corner. My voltage is a bit low, but that doesn't matter right now. So I entered the values there at the CAN 7EX. Now I need to go to, for example, my display here and change that one to the right one. So wiring wise, it's pretty simple. You have this wire, which is a 5-volt supply going from the extender through a 240 ohm resistor going to the CAN 7 and the fuel sensor, the fuel level sensor, and then the ground of the fuel level sensor doesn't have to go to the ground of the board, but I decided to do this anyway because to make sure everything is correct. And then you just have to go and test and see if it works or not. Now when you look at this device, the top one, the blue with the white, is the CAN low, and the white one is the CAN H. The black one is a ground to go to the chassis, and the red one is a 12-volt supply. So that's pretty straightforward. On the other side, I already figured it out. Purple goes, in my case, to my fuel sensor, AN7 is that. Then there is a blue one, which is the black and brown, which is here, the left one. That one goes to my left indicator. The other one there goes to my right indicator, which is a black wire with, brown wire with a black stripe. Then there's a red wire, which is sitting here on the left, kind of there, which is going to my indicator, not my indicator, my engine check light. Then those pink wires here at the back are 5-volt supply wires, and the lime green wires are grounds. So it's pretty straightforward, and I should be able to connect this very, very easily. So my car is running, and I seem to have fuel level. And the other thing is I have working indicator as well. Left not yet, but right is working. Not sure why left isn't working, but yeah, it's getting there, which is pretty cool. So my low beam now is working. Indicator left is working. Indicator right is working, which is a good start, which is pretty cool.